Hello. Okay, my name is Nick. What's your name? My name. How are you today?
I'm happy.
How old are you? Where are you from? And which is your class? In Very good. Let's start with shapes. Look, which one is the circle? Good. What is this? What color is the circle? Blue. Good. And which one is the rectangle? What is this? Good. And what shape is this? Heart. What color is the heart? Red. All right. And here are 3 farm animals. 1, 2, 3. Listen. It's a sheep. What is this? Good. So again, it's a chicken. What is this? Yeah. And what animal is this? It's a cow. Great. Let's see what your mom can do here. Okay. My mommy can sing. Good. What can your mom do? And my mommy can cook. What can your mom do? Yeah. What can your mom do? My mom can hide. All right. Here are 3 transportations. So, I see a train. What do you see? Good. I see a bus. What do you see? What color is the bus? Blue. And what do you see? I see a taxi. Good. And here is some yummy food. Okay. I like soup. Yes. What food do you like? I like soup. And I like meat. Meat. Yes. What food do you like? Right. And what food do you like? I like eggs. Okay. And here are 3 flags. 2, 3. Which flag is the US? The US. Yeah. Which flag is this? Which flag is Japan? What flag is this? Good. And which flag is this? The UK. Very good, Tony. Thank you so much. Goodbye.